If you have been posting on YouTube and yet you are not growing, I have something uncomfortable to share with you in this video, which is why you have not been getting views, which is why your videos usually stop growing after 48 hours. I have been on YouTube for the past 6 years, and it took me about 5 years before I learned this method, which I'm about to share with you right now. I know you have been watching different strategy and tricks shared by different YouTube gurus, and it is not working for you. This method I'm about to share with you right now is a simple method which you need to pay very close attention to, and if you implement it, it will actually help you to start getting massive views even with a small channel. Pay very close attention to it. Let me share with you some of the steps. The first thing you need to do is to go to your YouTube studio right now. When you come to your YouTube studio right now, you just need to verify to know maybe if your channel is shadow banned. That is the first thing you need to verify first. If your channel is not shadow banned, before you go to the next method, which I'm going to share after this method right now, come to this particular section right now. You are going to check this particular. You are going to check channel violation. You are going to check community guideline violation. You can see that this particular channel actually have one violation, and which is why this particular channel is not getting views after 48 hours of posting. You will see that once this particular channel posts, it will get some views within some period of time. After like 48 hours, it will stop getting views, or YouTube will stop pushing that particular video because this particular channel actually violate their community guideline. You can see until this particular strike removed from this particular channel, before this channel will be able to start getting massive views again. But with the method which I'm about to share with you right now, you'll be able to solve the solution. You'll be able to have solution to this particular channel. Okay, the next thing you need to do is to come to this section right now. Let's go to the view section of this particular video right now. And when you come to the analytics section of this video, you'll be able to see that the video has been going down because this particular channel actually have a strike. Let's check it right now. You can see that this video is posted in the past 6 days, but the video is just 335 views. Okay, let's go right now and check the past 365 days. Let's actually know what actually happened to this particular channel. Okay, if you come right here, you'll be able to start. This channel has been trending for the past 1 year, but immediately this particular channel actually have a strike, the channel actually goes down and stop getting traffic. What is the solution to this particular channel right now? If you notice that your channel is a strike that cause your own view drop, is to allow the strike to expire. Keep on posting. You need to be posting consistently until the strike expire. Once the strike expire, YouTube will start recommending both your old video and your new videos. Okay, but the next method, if you notice that you do not have a strike, which means you are not shadow banned based on what you are actually posting, because YouTube can also shadow ban you due to the type of thumbnail you are using. Okay, the reason why this particular channel is also shadow banned is because of the type of thumbnail this channel is using. If you come here, you'll be able to see that it is actually free USD, free stuff that this particular channel is actually posting, which is not recommended by YouTube. Okay, if you are sharing too much free stuff which is not realistic, YouTube will actually limit you. If you are sharing false information, YouTube will actually limit your views after 48 hours of identifying that is type of content you are sharing. Okay, which is why you need to work on your thumbnail. Make sure that your thumbnail is readable, follow their community guideline as you are posting. The next method is to come to this section right now and use Google Trend to identify keyword. If you check, you will notice that if popular bloggers, those popular YouTubers, when they post, you'll be able to see they don't need to do any keyword research. They don't need to include any keyword. If they just type any keyword, any title and post, you will see a lot of people, they will start getting massive views because YouTube algorithm has already understand their channel. Your own channel has not been understood by YouTube algorithm, or maybe you are not focusing on one niche. But if you focus on one niche and yet your videos are not getting massive views, this is the method you'll be able to use so that you will start getting massive views even after 48 hours of posting your videos. Okay, I've been trying this particular method on my small channel and it has been working for me, which is why I'm sharing it with you. Come to Google right now and search for Google Trend. When you search for Google Trend, it will take you to their website. When it takes you to their website, the next thing you need to do is to allow it to load. Immediately after loading, come to this section right now and click on this section right now. Pay close attention to this video. Okay, when you come to this section, click on trending now. When you click on trending now, after sharing this particular method with you, you'll be able to see that you will start getting massive views. And the next method which I'm about to share with you after this method will actually blow your mind. Okay, it will take you to this particular section. These are some keywords that are actually trending in Nigeria, because I actually selected Nigeria here. Okay, go right now. If you want to target US, let's say you want to target Australia, you want to target Australia, you can select Australia. But if you want to target United States, let's target United States, you will select the country which you want to target right here. Okay, that is what you are. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be targeting Nigeria right there. Click on this section right now to select your country which you want to target. Okay, but for me, I'm going to select Nigeria as my location. Immediately after selecting the country which you want to target, the next thing you need to do is to come to this section right now. Immediately after selecting it, it will show you some trending keyword. But to be able to bring out the best keyword that you'll be able to target in your niche, follow this method which I'm about to share with you right now. Scroll up right now, scroll and search for the past 24 hours. You can see these are if you select for the past 24 hours, it will show you some keyword that have been trending for the past 24 hours, okay, which are still trending right now. But if you need the one that has been trending for the past 4 hours, which are active keywords that are currently trending in the past 4 hours, select it. If you need the one that has been trending for the past 48 hours and are still trending right now, go on right now and select it. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to use keywords that are trending for the past 24 hours. Okay, this will actually help us to actually get active keywords that are still trending right now since yesterday till today and are still trending. Okay, the next thing we need to do is to come to this section right now and go on right now and select category. This category is based on your niche. If you are in financial niche, go on right now and select finance. If you are in YouTube growth niche, go on right now and select how to, or based on your if you are in beauty niche, select beauty. If you are in gaming niche, or health niche, select your own category right here. Okay, as for the purpose of this video, I'm going to scroll down right now and select one category right now. Let's select tech. We're going to select tech for the purpose of this video. When you select tech, scroll on to this section right now. It will show you all trend. Let's filter it right now and click on show active trend only. Show the one that are still trending right now, active trend. That is what we need. Okay, okay, the next thing to by relevance, click on by relevance. When it show you by relevance, if you need the one with high search volume, click on it. If you need the one that is currently like recent one that are still trending, that is what you need. But we need it by relevance, based on how relevant they are. Okay, because we want to make video that people will actually watch. Okay, after that, the next thing you need to do is come to this section right now. It has filtered the keyword, and this is keyword that is trending right now and has been trending for the past 24 hours in technology niche. You can see, and that is how you are going to do it in your own niche also. Before you be able to copy this particular keyword right now, when you copy this particular keyword, use this particular keyword to record your video. This will be the title of your video, which you are going to work on the title. Make sure the title, this keyword appear in your title. This keyword appear in the first paragraph of your description of your video, and also say this keyword in your introduction of the video, because YouTube usually reads your audios. As I'm speaking right now, when I'm opening this particular video right now, you see that YouTube will be able to read my audio and be able to transcribe the script. Okay, and be able to understand what I'm actually talking about in this particular video right now. And that is why you should need to actually use all these keywords, so that it will actually help you people with searching for this keyword to be able to locate your own video easily. And because this keyword is trending right now, you'll be able to get massive views even after 48 hours. Because this keyword will keep on trending until it will stop trending, and before it will stop trending, you will get another keyword that will actually help be getting more traffic, and this will help you to be getting consistent traffic. Okay, before I show you the next method, let's come to this section right now. Let's go back to the next section right now and click on this explore. When you click on explore, you just need to allow it to load. It will actually take us to a section where we are going to be able to type a specific keyword. Let me say you want to search for a specific keyword in your niche that you want to record the video on, to know maybe if the keyword is actually trending or not. This is where you are going to search for it right here. You can see these are some keywords that are trending right now. You can see YouTube channel. Okay, these are keywords that are trending. You can see you need to actually check it to know maybe if the keyword is trending by clicking on the explore, add a search term. You can see enter the keyword right here. When you enter the keyword right here, you'll be able to check maybe if the keyword is trending right now on YouTube or not, and that will actually help you to start getting massive views. Okay, let's go to the next method that will actually help you to grow your channel and start getting massive views on YouTube. pay close attention. If you have watched this video to this particular point and you are getting value from this video, kindly help me to like this video, please, and subscribe to this channel so that we can grow together. Okay, the next thing we need to do right now is to come to this particular website known as SEMrush. Go to Google right now and search for SEMrush. When you search for SEMrush, it will take you to their official website, which is semrush.com. SEMrush is an SEO keyword research platform whereby you will be able to search for relevant keyword based on your need. Bloggers usually use it, and I noticed that majority of YouTubers don't usually use this, but by me searching for keyword in this using this platform usually help me to get massive views from Google. Let's take for instance that you record a video about why YouTube is not recommending your video. Okay, let's take for instance that you recorded video using this particular topic right now. You'll be able to see that some people will be searching for this video on Google, and because people are searching for this video on Google, you'll be able to see those that optimize their own content using this keyword, their video actually show on Google. Okay, which is why by using this particular platform, it will actually help you to actually get keyword that people are searching for on Google, and that will actually help you to get massive traffic from Google search. Let me show you the method right now. Okay, let's go back right now to the keyword research tools, which is SEMrush. When you come to SEMrush right now, you can enter your keyword right here, or scroll down right now to this section right now and choose the country which you want to target. You can choose any country of your choice. Just search for the keyword. You can see I search for United States. I can choose United States. I can choose any country of my choice. I can choose United Kingdom, or I can choose Canada. After choosing it, I will enter my keyword right here. Okay, let me say I want to search for YouTube growth. I search for it. That is the keyword which I want to work on. Okay, I want to check to know maybe if this keyword have much search volume in United States or not. Okay, you can see that it has finished loading right now. Immediately after loading, you'll be able to see that in United States, this particular keyword, over 220 persons are searching for this keyword in United States of America, and the keyword difficult is 55%, which means small channel will be finding it difficult to rank for this keyword easily. You can see it right there. And if you come to this section right now, you'll be able to see that these are other countries that are searching for this keyword. I can see majority of them are from India, but the total search volume is 3.6k is search volume. And if you come right here, you'll be able to see the CPC, which is the RPM of this video. If you are monetized, this is the amount you can earn by post per 1,000 views on this video. You can see it right, $3.48. That is what it actually means. Come to this section right now. Let's go for India right now. Let's actually check maybe if this keyword is trending in India or not. Okay, let's click on it. When you select in India, you'll be able to see that much people are searching for it in India more than in United States. And if you come to this section right now, you'll be able to see that this keyword is trending more in India than in United States. And if you come right here, you'll be able to see that this keyword is informational keyword. People are searching for this information. This is not transactional keyword, and the transactional keyword usually earn more money, or commercial keyword usually earn more money than informational keyword. Okay, but people are only searching for information about this particular keyword. Okay, if you come right here, you'll be able to see that this is the CPC in India, the RPM in India, the amount you can earn in the amount that the advertisers pays in India. This is it. If you are getting your audience from India, this is the amount you are going to earn. Which is why having using this particular keyword to do your keyword research will actually help you to know maybe if this keyword you want to make video about is profitable or not, or maybe if this keyword is trending in that country or not. And if you check right there, you'll be able to see that this particular keyword is trending right now in India. You can see the trend that it is going up and up. You can see, but if it is low, unlike in US, the keyword is not trending much in United States. You can see, just come to this section right now. If you do not like this keyword, let me say you want to search for online business okay, let's search for online business. Click on search right now. Let's search for this particular keyword. When you search for this particular keyword right now, you'll be able to see that this is the number of people searching for this keyword in India. Over 18k people are searching for online business in Nigeria, in India, and you can see it right there. This is total search volume on Google. Over 110.3k persons are searching for it globally per month. Let's check the trend. You can see the trend is very high. This is a combination of informational keyword and commercial keyword. You can see it right there, and this is the RPM of this particular video. You can see. Let's scroll down right now to this section. When you scroll down to this section right now, this one showing in green are keywords that are easily to rank, but this one showing in purple are the one that are more hard or difficult, that are not easy. You can not easily rank with a small channel. You can see you join to come right there. Let's say you want to go for this particular keyword right now. Click on it. When you click on it, make sure that you pick this keyword based on the country which you want to target. Though other countries that you do not even choose might be seeing the video, might also be watching the video, but you need to have a country in mind when you're recording your video. That will actually help you to actually grab a audience that are actively searching for that keyword in that country, that I will be watching that video consistently without stop, or that we keep on watching that video, that will make the video not to die off after 48 hours, which is why making all this research is very important. If you come right here, you'll be able to see that keyword difficult is easy. This keyword is easy to rank, and these are the total number of people searching for this keyword in India per month. You can see this is search volume right now. If you come right here, you'll be able to see that this keyword is trending right now in India. You can go on and choose your answer and go on right now and search for your country right here. Select country. When you select, click on select location. Click on your location. Search for your location right here. You can see you can search for the location in India right here. If you want to type a particular location in India, go on right now and select search for the particular location which you want to target. For instance, you are in Nigeria right now and you are making video and you want to target a specific state in Nigeria. You can search for Lagos State in this particular section right now, and it will show you keyword that people in Lagos State are currently searching right now. And if you use this particular strategy which I just shared with you right now, you will actually start getting massive views. I have tried this particular method on my old channel and my other channels which I have been running on YouTube for the past 6 years, and this has been working for me, and which is why I actually share it with you in this video. Tell me your opinion, or have you been trying any of this method which I just shared with you right now? Let me know in the comment section of this video which other method have you been trying, or what is the problem that you are currently facing on your channel. Let us know in the comment section of this video, so that in my next video I will be able to answer your question. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and so that you will always receive more updates from me. I'm Coach Usulo, and I'm signing off for now. Bye.